What's good, my people? It's your boy Denzel FX. We're back again with a useful video that you might need if you are a beginner trader watching this. So, we're going to discuss basically how to create a trading plan. I'm going to give you the 7 key steps or the 7 key tools that you must implement inside of your trading plan. The first one is basically your strategy. You need to have a nice, strict strategy with 3 points of confluence or 3 points of confirmations for you to actually enter your trade. On top of this has to be back tested. So in your strategy, you need to know your entry point, your exit point, back test your strategy, and also the points of confluence in order for you to enter a trade. So for example, if you see a nice impulse to the upside, that's just an indication for you to take the trade, but it's not a confirmation. So you need to have indication and confirmation within your strategy. Your confirmation would be a candle, the retracement to your key zone, so on and so forth. But the first step is strategy. You need to have a nice solid strategy that you have back tested as well in order for you to stay in the game longer. The second tip or the second key is very, very crucial. This is risk management. This is how you stay in the game longer more than beginner traders, because beginner traders lose 90% of their capital within the first 90 days of trading due to poor risk management. Depending on your account size, whatever it is, you need to be able to only risk a low amount, which will be between 1 to 3% of your account. So that way, even if you lose whatever trade it is, in the back of your mind, you already know what that figure is. You get me? The second thing is you need to have a nice risk to reward ratio, meaning when I trade, I have a nice 1 to 3 minimum. Meaning I could lose 3 trades in a row, I'll be down 3% in my account. But if I make one good trade, if I make one good 1 to 3, that will then cover those losses and leave me back at break even. This is how you stay in the game a lot longer, by being consistent with your trading plan and your risk management. On top of that, in a trading day, you need to tell yourself, if I make 2 losses today, that's already 2%. I'm done trading for the day, or I'm done trading for the week. I'll be back again next week. So in your trading plan, you need to tell yourself, in the risk management side of things, I'm going to risk 1% of my account. My minimum risk to reward is 1 to 3. And if I make 2 losses, I'm done for the day. I close trading view. I go about my day, and I'll come back and kill the markets again tomorrow. The third step to creating your trading plan is knowing the type of session that suits you best. So, for example, if you are pretty much working during the day or during the morning and you don't have time for the charts, I would recommend that you stay away from the London and the New York session. If you know yourself, you're more like a night owl and you're more active in the nighttime, why not just trade Asian session only? So therefore, you can forget about New York, London. So by the time Asian session comes, you're active, you're ready, you're on the charts. So this step or this tip will suit your lifestyle and suit your personality type. For me, myself, I like trading the London and the New York session because that's when I'm more active in the charts. After the London and New York session, I'm pretty much done trading for the day, and I'm going to go about my day, and I'll come back the following day. So you need to know what session suits you best. With that being said, tip number 4 is time frame. What time frame will you be trading? In your trading plan, you need to tell yourself, I will only trade on the 1 hour time frame. I will then go to the 4 hour to do my analyzation. Then I'll hop into the 1 hour to hop into that trade using my confirmation, my risk management, and my entry point and exit point. You need to know exactly which time frame suits you best. If you're a swing trader, which we'll get into that later on, you know exactly that, daily and the 4 hour time frame will suit you best within your trading plan. Tip number 5 is quite simple. Your pairs. You need to understand when you back test, whatever your strategy is, you also need to have pairs that you're going to trade. There's no point wasting your time trading all 30 forex pairs when you can just narrow it down to 1 to 3 pairs, so that way you know how the pairs move in the particular sessions and in the particular time frames. So that way You're just doing yourself a favor, saving your energy and saving your time and channeling it in the right direction. So you need to trade at least 1 to 3 pairs within your trading plan. Well, that's what I do. If you want to trade out 30 pairs, go ahead, but make sure it's in your trading plan. So I will only look at NAS 100, gold, US 30. Anything else apart from that, I will not trade. So I will be saving myself a lot of time. If there's no setup on NAS 100, I'll check out US 30. If there's no setup on US 30, we're gonna go ahead to gold. If there's no setup for all three, I just leave it and I'll come back the following day or within the next couple of hours. It's that simple. There's no need for me to keep on jumping from one pair to the other, looking for a setup when it's starting my trading plan. My trading plan is telling me I only trade those two indices and one pair. Simple as that. Tip number 6 is simple. You need to choose a style that suits your lifestyle. Simple as that. Are you more comfortable being in the market in and out? You should, I recommend you try scalping, where you just want instant gratification. You enter the trade first things first, give it 5, 10, 30 minutes, you're in and you're out. Or are you more of a day trader? You like trading during the day. You start at 8, you finish up at 12, or you finish up at 4 and you call it quits. Or you're a swing trader. You enter your position on Monday and you exit on Friday. Depending on the type of lifestyle, if you're working full-time, if you're working part-time, or if you're not working at all, you need to know what type of trader you are. And the final tip is to journal all your trades. So every trade that you take, you need to journal it. So when you look back on it and you're reviewing, you need to see exactly, did my trading plan fit all of these steps on why I lost or why I won the trade? That will make you a better trader when you review your losses. You know exactly what went wrong, and also when you review your wins, you know exactly, boom, I followed my trading plan. That was my entry point. That was my confirmation candle. This was my 1 to 3 risk to reward, so on and so forth. This is a very good trade for myself. So yeah, another thing I like to do with my trading plan is I wrote it out in a book. And at the end of the trading plan, I sign my name. So it's like a contract that I need to follow. So in that way, when you really sign it out, you really know yourself like, okay, this is official. This is my trading plan. So with these key steps, this is what is going to help you to stay in the game a lot longer than other people, because now that you're following your own trading plan, you will become consistent and you will become profitable. Once you stick to your trading plan, believe me, the game is yours. So what I like to say the most is make sure you plan the trade and trade the plan. Once you do that, you will be in this game for a lifetime. But anyway, my people, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.